When I first started working here, it was mostly just coffee, sweeping, sure, boiling the kettle, stuff like that really. After I got qualified, I suppose, I was drilling out welds and grinding off escorts and stuff like that for them. Here and there I put my hands onto different things and they'd be shouting at me, do this, do not do this, you know. When I was first bossed this car, I was 13. I thought it was great crack until I looked underneath it and I saw, Jesus Christ, the amount of rust. And so I was planning on taking it over to my farm and doing a few donuts like and stuff like that, but I think now I've grown a bit attached and I want to keep it nice and clean. And so my plan is to take off the bed and get these lads to help me sandblast it and teach me how to patch it and weld it and stuff like that. And then we'll see if the bed is complete, banjacks completely, or if it's salvageable. So I think the most challenging part of it will be the wiring. The wiring on it, it's like a rat's nest under there. If whoever did the wiring on that, Jesus, I'd give him a clatter, I'd say. Yeah, definitely the wiring though, there's wires going every which way. I think I'll go to a classic car store videos and I'll get some inspiration from there and know about, and I'll grind this off completely, I'd say, because it's rotten. So.
Did you ever consider to buy a new trailer or whatever?
I'm on done deal all the time and websites, all sorts, but you can't get these anymore. It's kind of a nice, very rare vehicle though, but no one notices that though.
And it's a bigger challenge to fix it or to buy it?
It's a bigger challenge to buy one though. So.
Are you sure? To buy it or fix it?
I think to buy it anyway, because you can't find these anymore. It's open, I'd say. Is it? It's a 2.5 litre turbo diesel engine. It's in a bit of a state, of course, but it runs well. It's very reliable. Oil is there, coolant is there. There's a few cobwebs in it, all right, but aside from that and your man there, I think it's a good machine. What my plan is with this Jeep is mainly to take off the bed, and as you can see over there in that BMW, the trolleys, is to manufacture one of those and take inspiration from these fellas again and put the bed on one of those so it's easily moved around the place so it's not blocking these fellas' way. So yeah, that's the plan for this anyway. Put in the hands of these lads and they'll show me what to do on weekends and stuff like that. I'll come back and days off and I'll work on it and they'll show me how to do it. As you can see, the man there that was throwing stuff at me there, he's the biggest prick in the operation, I'd say. He seems to know what he's doing though, so I'll trust him, I suppose.